So if you want to learn how to draw support and resistance in TradingView, this is one of the most important skills in trading. It helps you spot where price might bounce or reverse. In this guide, I'll show you everything step by step. First, open TradingView and load any chart, crypto, forex, or stocks. Once your chart is ready, we can start marking levels. Now this is the key part. You need to find swing highs and swing lows. Swing highs are where price stops going up and reverses down. Swing lows are where price stops falling and goes back up. Let's start with resistance. Resistance is drawn at previous swing highs, where price struggles to go higher. When price touches this level again, it may reject and move down. Now let's draw support. Support is drawn at previous swing lows, where price tends to bounce upward. Here's a pro tip. Strong support and resistance levels usually have multiple touches. The more times price reacts to a level, the stronger it becomes. And don't think of them as exact lines, think of them as zones. Price often reacts within an area, not just one exact price point. For better accuracy, combine support and resistance with indicators like RSI or MACD. This helps you confirm whether price will bounce or break. So that's how you draw support and resistance in TradingView. Once you practice this, you'll start seeing market structure much more clearly. So if you